I'm Brittany with WTI. When you live in a small apartment and you're always on the go, you really need a station to help you.
This joibabe shoe cabinet is so great. It stores all of our shoes that we wear the most. We can grab what we need and get out the door fast. The materials were made so well and were easy to put together. It's very stable, but it also provides an extra stability brace. Not only does it store so many shoes, but I love the look of it. It is so pretty and classy and is a great thing to have by your front door. And you can even use the top for a variety of decorations, looks, or it can just be a landing station for things that you need through the day to make sure you don't forget when you go out the door. You can keep your dirty shoes here so that it's easy to put on right by the door and then take it off immediately when you get in. This really helps making your home stay clean so that you can get comfy as soon as you can.
I really love it. It has made life so much easier, and that's my point of view.